There are a list of shortcuts available in Teams. These are slightly different from keyboard shortcuts that we use across all Office apps. They use the / key followed by a command, and the instruction is carried out from the search bar. To see a list of all shortcut commands available, type / in the search bar. A particularly useful one is /pop, which allows you to start a popped out chat with someone while you are in another area of Teams. Go to the search bar, type /pop and enter. Type the name of the person you want to chat with. There, an instantly popped out chat window.